मैंने बहुत ही ज्यादा वेट किया है इस मोमेंट का।
Like, I just love her.
हेलो
Today we are going to do clay mirror art.
डोंट क्राई। I love you guys.
Love you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and welcome to a new episode of the birthday series. It is 10th of August today and we are 4 days away from the event which is happening on the 14th of August, and today I got all of my deliveries. These basically are materials that we'll be needing to pack our invites. So let's bring it in the frame in 3, 2, 1. This is everything and it is red, which is basically our theme of the event and birthday lunch. I am so glad because all of this has been sent to us by very cool brands that have literally hand painted stuff, they've hand baked things, and I'm so grateful for each one of them to contribute to my big day. And I think abhi hum packing karna shuru karte hain because we have very less time and we also need to ship these to everyone who will be attending the events. ये basically उनके घरों में जाएगा via courier. So let's pack and then I'll quickly show you what's inside. Okay, we are done packing 10 boxes that will go to all our lucky girls who become a part of the birthday lunch club. This is what it will look like. Obviously, the theme is red. The first thing when they open it, they'll get this card which has the invite. इसके अंदर मेरी बहुत ही बद्दी सी baby photo है, but it also has details like the venue, timing, and also what they can expect. And then we have 2 bags inside. सबसे पहले है ये छोटू सा cherry pouch that you can use for your makeup brushes, stationery, whatever. So cute, made by the Cozy Crafts Co. And the next one is a very cute tote bag that says the Lucky Girl Club because obviously they are the lucky ones, and I really like the red theme that's going on. Then we have this, which is actually so important. We are sending out bands that all our attendees are supposed to wear. ये बहुत ही cute था. ये मैं का idea था that this year we should add bands, and इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है Alfia's Birthday Lunch Club और बीच में एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा you're officially a part of this because you have the band. That means you're in for real. And lastly, we have something to eat, and this brand called Abu Bakers, they make really yummy cookie tins that you can like warm it up and then वो gooey सा chocolate निकलता है बीच में से. They are very yummy. I've already eaten this and I requested them if they can be a part of our invite hamper and they very sweetly agreed. So that's pretty much it, and I really hope whoever receives this has a big white smile on their face, and I can't wait to send it all across.
My God, I have finally received the birthday invitation from Alfia Karim Khan. What is this? Red theme. Wow. And the pouch. Wow. The Lucky Girl Club. Yes, I'm really lucky to be invited by you. Okay, so we have an entry band and some snack. Thank you so much, lots and lots of love to you, Dee.
Hi, good morning. Oh my god, it is the day. Let's do my hair, makeup, and nails. Ta-da! I did my own makeup. My hair is done by Ami. We went with like a half tie situation, and I also put on some nails. These are by Closet. Please ignore the art here. But this is what we have. मुझे honestly एकदम ही Hollywood bride वाली feeling आ रही है because this is a very Hollywood bride kind of hairstyle. But I just have to put on my outfit and be ready. This is my final look. Obviously theme के हिसाब से I've worn like a red dress. It's an old dress that I'm re-wearing for this event. और मैंने last minute कड़े मंगाए थे from Knot. They do like quick delivery. Very like red and gold theme. I love it. I feel like it's turned out very well. And I just hope that my hair stays because it is humid. But this is what we have. I'm wearing very comfy shoes because I don't want like pain in my feet. It's going to be a long day. Let's go. Since we are organizing most of it ourselves, हमको यहाँ से बहुत सारा सामान लेके जाना है to the venue. इसके अंदर सारे return gifts है. This has all of the welcome bouquets. इसके अंदर और सामान है, tripod and जो मेरा makeup touch-up का सामान है. So yeah, and we are almost there.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
अरे as always you're yawning like every time I catch you you're
Exactly, तो ऐसा क्यों लेती है मुझे जब मैं पास ही ले रही हूँ?
But how are you feeling?
Very excited, very cute. Look at my t-shirt.
Yeah, I'll show that properly when you're out of the driver's seat.
Yes, I'm really excited.
Yes.
And
The brain behind it all. She's arranged it, everything.
I am smart.
We also have Avni and a new team member Sunboard in our event. Avni, how are you feeling? Good. Excited. Excited, yeah. Everyone's excited. My mom was asking me if I'm nervous and I'm like, क्यों nervous? It's my birthday. It's not like I'm hosting and I have to entertain the audience. No, it's just going to be like a very one-on-one, just
Family
quality
gathering.
time with my followers. Yeah, family gathering type. And the only thing that I'm slightly scared about is when, like, if it rains and we kind of don't have good light for photos and videos, तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा because हमने बहुत सारे arrangements किए हैं that need to be shot in well lit situation. That's it. But otherwise, भाई मेरे आधे nails निकल चुके हैं.
ये क्या हो गया?
But I'm really looking forward to meeting and hugging each one of them. It is going to be amazing. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Manifesting the best day today. Let's go. Okay guys, we are here just a few minutes and we'll start the event. Everyone will start coming in any minute. Quickly want to talk about our venue partner. It is Dough and Joe Bandra. They have really good pasta. Their coffee is to die for. Love the owner especially. But something that I'm really excited about today is how my team looks. They look so cute. They are wearing custom t-shirts. आगे मेरी बहुत सी cute बचपन की photo लगी हुई है and the best part is the back. It says Alfia's Birthday Lunch Club OG crew. Very cute. Love the idea. And they're also wearing the bands, which means that they're officially invited. Love it. Okay, I also want to show you कि यहाँ पे हमने सारा setup कर दिया है. This is going to be the table that we'll all be sitting in. And a big shout out to our activity partner Tinker Bloom. They've helped us throughout with the invites, with the activities, and it's looking so cute. I will ask every one of you, give me one word how you're feeling before the event. I'll start with you.
I'm very curious about to meet Alfia.
Yes, I'm so excited to see her.
Actually, I'm so nervous and I'm really so excited to see her, to meet her. Like, I just love her.
So excited to see her in person. And you're also so pretty, Mahesh.
Thank you.
Is it for real?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Even I'm feeling very lucky that among 10 of just so many people, we are got to choose.
So are you all excited to?
Yes, very much. Very much.
Let's go. For showing up. It means a lot. I see कुछ लोगों ने रेड भी पहना है. So I'm sure आप लोगों को थोड़ा समझ गया था कि क्या थीम होगा. Everyone is looking fab. मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेट किया है इस मोमेंट का. So thank you for making it. I know that it's not even a weekend, but y'all have made time to show up. Please know that y'all are the lucky ones because हमको इतनी entries के बाद ही selected y'all on the basis of how y'all have been, you know, the kind of relationship we've shared. मेरे को comments में फिलहाल लोग बहुत ही जूते मारे कि हमको क्यों नहीं select किया है. So I hope you guys enjoy today's afternoon. It's all about you and technically it's about us. So I can't wait and let's begin. Yay! Okay, so quickly I think let's just do a quick introduction. Everyone just say your names. I feel like meet and greets का best part ये होता है कि a lot of people also make friends. कि मेरे पिछले meet and greet के लोग आज तक hang out करते हैं एक साथ. So introduce your name probably if you want to talk a little bit about what you do if you're comfortable. Just an icebreaker and then we have lots to, you know, show you guys, do with you guys. पहले एक icebreaker कर लेते हैं. So will you start?
So, hi, my name is Aditi. I'm a photojournalist in Mumbai Mirror.
Hi, myself Saima. So basically, I work for Kalki Fashion. My name is Lubna and I'm engineering student.
Oh,
Yes, मैं आज कॉलेज नहीं गई क्योंकि आपके इवेंट में आना था. बट मेरे को इतना रोना आ रहा था जब मुझे मैसेज मिला कि भाई मैं कैसे सिलेक्ट हो गई. और मैं अभी भी बहुत इमोशनल हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
so sweet.
भाई मुझे रोना आ रहा है.
Hi, my name is Uzma and I'm a software engineer by profession.
Wow.
I skipped my office as well today.
Hi, my name is Niharika. I'm from an event management firm. And
Oh wow,
obviously
contact her guys.
So आज तो छुट्टी था for
Yeah.
sure, and coming to the invite, it was amazing. It was so personalized, and something like that has happened for the first time. इतना
Yeah.
personalized message था, and it was very sweet.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Hi, I'm Rida.
Hi.
And I'm a second year student BMS.
Okay.
And I've just started content creation. Like I'm trying to do fashion based content and I really love how you like promote modest fashion.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's it.
My name is
Disha and I am a cabin crew by profession. I'm
Wow.
recently selected at Indigo and
Oh my god. Will we see you then?
yeah, sure. I will start flying soon and I'm a very big fan of yours and
Hello, I love your outfit. It's so different
Oh, thank
and
you so
nice.
much. Hi, my name is Farhana. I'm working in a private firm. I don't know, but तो आप मेरे सामने खड़े हो ना, I just couldn't believe. मुझे जब पहली बार आपका मैसेज आया ना कि I'm selected, मैंने मम्मी को बोला मम्मी सी मुझे मैसेज आ गया होगा. मैंने आपके हर गिव अप में पार्टिसिपेट किया. मैं कभी नहीं जीती. मम्मी को बोली मम्मी कि मैंने ना हर पार्टिसिपेट किया लेकिन मैंने कभी नहीं जीती. सी दिस इज अपने प्राइवेट
Yeah.
फॉर्म में जो एक मिलना, मुझे आपसे प्राइवेट मिलना, मुझे आपके सेंस, आपकी बातें, आपका स्टाइल, everything you do now, I just love.
Hi, this is
Hello.
Muskan. So basically I'm a chartered accountant and advocate by profession and I've been following Alfia for years now
my
and
God.
coming from a Muslim background family always got that mummy ये क्यों पहन रही है वो क्यों पहन रही है and I
Yeah.
show her videos to my mom and see she's modestly dressed, she's covered her body completely and she's still looking so good.
So today we are going to do clay mirror art. It's quite trendy, like you all know that. So it's over there. We just place it here, so you can like scroll through Pinterest and anything. We just have an inspo as well in person. You can just have a look at that,
Yeah.
and you can make anything with the clay. Just like whenever you're making, just keep it on the table, and then you can stick it on the glue, and then directly on the mirror. It's like air dry clay, so it will like get dried in like 5 to 6 minutes, and then you're good to go.
So basically a small mirror that you've made for yourself. It can be a great souvenir. You can just place it at your home for your mirror selfies, whatever.
Or on your like, dressing table.
Yeah.
Let's start, guys.
Yes. Have you all thought what you want to do?
No.
Decide कर रहे हैं अभी. Yeah, even I want some inspo.
Yeah, so you have this one. You can try. It looks easy, like same like
Yeah, and it goes with our theme also. I think I'm gonna do like.
Right.
Okay. Hello. must. On my event, on your birthday is a big deal for me. So thank you so much.
Given my commitment that I'll come no matter whatsoever.
Thank you.
यहाँ पे हमने एक बोर्ड लगाया है love letter. So आपके जाने से पहले please make sure that you are writing a love letter or whatever, like any heartfelt message that you want to give to Alfia.
you so
part.
much.
I've like waited to hug each one of you, so I'm so happy.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, how sweet. Oh my god, the amount of flowers that I'm gonna get to.
Can I hug, please?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just can't believe, yeah. I just can't believe. Thank you, thank you.
Oh my god. Don't cry. Thank you. That's a lot of effort. Oh bhai. So cute. Thank you so much, Disha. I love like pink flowers.
I got lucky.
Thank you so much. Bhai, this is too much. You all didn't have to get gifts for me. It was me spoiling y'all and not otherwise.
No, we can do it both ways.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god.
And I have created all this.
You made it? Hi. Thank you so much. Arey yaar.
Cute gift for you.
This is so
And
sweet.
you're actually so pretty in real life more than the video.
Is it? Thank you. And I hope आपको ये घर आके सब ऐसे अच्छी स्टोरीज बताए. इंशाल्लाह. ख्याल रखो आंटी. इनको थीम बता दिया था किसी ने. मुझे क्यों लग रहा है? I love your nails also. Look at that. She's made a playlist of my product recommendations.
Yeah, and whenever there's a sale going on, it's like the go-to place where you can actually see whatever you
This is so smart. I love you guys. I love you too. Okay, so we are playing this game जिसमें 3 winners हम decide करेंगे and you guys will get extra gifts. Now the game is who knows me better. So I have a set of questions. 15 questions हैं. आप लोगों के पास time होगा 2 minute का. Whoever gets maximum answers correct in that time span gets extra gifts. Okay, when I say flip, you all flip and then I will start the timer. May the best person that knows me best wins. And are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, flip. Let's go! Oh my god. Three, 2, 1. Okay, let's stop. Okay, my original YouTube channel name Trend Elite. What fashion makes me happy? Modest. Basic. My zodiac sign? Leo. How many years I've been a creator?
10 plus years. 11 years.
11. Which was Alfia's dream country?
Greece.
Greece and Turkey. I have 2.
Greece सही है?
Greece भी सही है, Turkey भी सही है. Her recent award title?
I just remember you never know.
Superwoman! I love that. Okay, next is celebrity she shared screen with.
Oh god.
उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा था.
Yes.
Kriti is right.
Preeti was latest. Her comfort food?
Biryani.
I don't know.
Yes. Biryani और क्या था? I don't like rajma chawal at all. Non-veg, yeah. Chicken paglu. Chicken paglu. No, but biryani is the perfect answer, by the way. Only for biryani, yes. One thing she's obsessed with.
Makeup and skincare. Not Marvel. I don't know why.
I don't know who are you referring to. It's not me. Anything else? Okay. Anything else? The correct answer is actually perfumes, but I would like to give it to Jim. और किसने क्या बोला था?
Makeup and skincare.
नहीं, I like it. If she wasn't a creator, she'd be
Fashion designer. You mentioned in one of the video.
something related to media. Like what?
I have seen कि आपने media के related भी batch
Yeah.
किया है. So something related in that.
Anything else?
Teacher. पता नहीं बेटा बहुत doctor maybe.
I wrote a CA.
Who said that?
That is something my parents would want me to do. Anything else? I could be a journalist, I could be a radio jockey. Those two were like my correct answer. So I think media को दे सकते हैं because it comes in journalist, yes. Okay, her next dream destination to cover. क्या लिखा है?
Argentina.
I wrote Korea.
किसका पिज्जा? जापान.
कुछ और? So honestly, it is Switzerland, but I don't. Guys, मैंने स्टोरी में डाला था एक बीच में, किसी ने पूछा था your next dream destination, मैंने डाला था स्विट्जरलैंड का फोटो and लिखा भी था. But I would like to give it to Japan because that is also on my list. A skill she learned this year.
Boxing.
Both are correct. If you got any of those, they are correct. Boxing and driving. Oh my god, you guys are so invested. Her favorite actress? Deepika all the way. Last but not the least, her favorite color? Just because the theme is red and maroon. My favorite colors are white and pink. So if you all have either on your list, let's have everyone's score and then we know whoever is the highest.
I have 7.
Okay, we have 7. We have anybody higher than 7?
8. A lot of people, I guess.
8. Anybody higher than 8?
Whoa.
13? Oh my god, girl.
No, I'm just kidding.
Anybody higher than 13? Okay, we have 13 as the first winner. Perfect. Let's go. This is for you. Enjoy, girl. Thank you so much for being like so attention to detail. It means a lot.
Thank you.
Let's go. After 13, उससे नीचे क्या है अपने पास? Anything more than 8?
9.
You have 9? Anything more than 9?
क्या मैं जीत गई?
Let's go!
भाई पहली बार
Giveaway plus meet and greet plus lottery plus. Let's go! We have the third winner. Guys, how do we like the food? It's good.
My mom wants to say hi to everyone.
Oh my god!
जो मुस्कुरा था मेरी मम्मी.
सब कर रहे थे.
How cute. सबके सब याद करे, सबको था कि मम्मी क्यों नहीं है, मम्मी रहना चाहिए था.
आपको यहाँ मिस कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
What even is a birthday celebration with a cake, right? And this one is made with so much love by Bake with If. I specifically wanted like a raspberry cake, red and white, that goes with the theme. Thank you so much for adding to my special day, and I can't wait to cut it with the people I love.
I wish you complete your protein intake daily.
Oh my god, cute.
Happy
Yay!
birthday.
Thank you.
I wish you get a chance to do Umrah every year and take your parents to Hajj.
Oh, that's the best wish ever. Thank you.
I wish you get all the fitness goals dreamt of and you achieve it this year only.
Oh, yes, I want abs.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
I wish you collaborate with your dream brand this year.
Yes, Emirates.
I wish that all your dreams will come true. All your dreams.
I wish your calories never count.
Wishing you great success and beautiful opportunity.
Thank you.
Happy birthday in advance.
Hi, happy birthday. I wish you lots of money and wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Yes.
I wish you get the lottery and maybe you win 10 crores.
Oh.
Inshallah.
Inshallah for that.
I wish that you get an apartment in like every country you visit. Dream
Oh
for the
my
impossible.
god. That is the best wish ever. I wish the same to all of you guys. One apartment in every country. Let's go.
Happy birthday, dear Alfia. Happy birthday to you.
I wish you guys all the happiness, health, and I hope you all make your parents very, 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 very proud. Happy birthday to her. Happy birthday month to me. Thank you so much, guys, for making this possible. This one's for all of you guys watching. Let's go. Thank you. So we have birthday girl also with us. Happy birthday to Uneza. See, you have so many people to celebrate with. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uneza. Happy birthday to you. So wishing you great health, lots of money and great outfits. Lots of travel. Alhamdulillah for it all. Yay! Take a bite for yourself. Arey! You eat. It's your birthday. Happy birthday! Thank you. So good. Okay, we are about to end this beautiful day. But what's a birthday without return gifts? And my favorite brand Plum Body Lovin' has sent you guys my favorite product. इसके अंदर वो सब कुछ है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है and I really hope you guys love it. Thank you Plum Body Lovin' and I hope you guys enjoy these as much as I do. And thank you for coming to my party. Thank you for coming and happy birthday again. Thank you for coming. Thank you and love you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. Thank you so much again. Thank you. Lots of love. I hope you guys are going home with a lot of memories. You all have probably made friends, a lot of pictures, and yeah, मेरा दिल भर चुका है खुशी से. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था that I would be doing something like this, and it turned out so beautiful. So special thanks to my team for making it happen, and obviously you guys because आप लोग अपना office, birthday, college सब छोड़ के यहाँ पे आए हो. I love you all so much. Love you guys. And that's a wrap to a very wholesome birthday lunch with my followers. I'm gonna go back home with all of these personalized handwritten letters, flowers, gifts. My heart is full. I cannot express how much this means to me. Thank you for making my life so beautiful, you guys, and I had the best time. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye. If you could tell Alfia one thing after following her all these years, what would you say?
I would just tell Alfia to be as authentic as she has always been, and I've followed her for since 3 to 4 years now, and she's been amazing, inspiring in so many different ways, and just keep rocking. We all love you and thank you for everything.
Love the outfit curations. I love how you add like a modest touch to every piece of clothing. Keep them coming. Love you.
So please keep up with your honest content and love the work that you're doing, and I hope that you continue the same way and grow in various horizons.
I wish you can earn whatever you want. मैं चाहती हूँ आप और बढ़ो और बढ़ो और बढ़ो.
The way she keeps following and maintaining her both the life, deen and dunya, I would suggest her like be like this only overall, because I can see many of the influencers, but the way she manages and do all the things and maintain, so that's very nice of her.
Make lots of video and inspire us with your clothing, with your YouTube, everything. I just love you for that and make us happy.
I love how consistent she is about her life and the content she creates. I would love to see more and more contents and wish you luck and success for your journey.